One ring museum, yakal air ke baca clear.
Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has supported the Union Education Ministry's reforms for zero-error entrance exams set to begin in January 2025. He emphasized the need for effective coordination between the National Testing Agency and the state government, noting that policies tailored for metropolitan areas may not always suit Meghalaya's needs. The centre seeks state cooperation for a successful implementation.
When you conduct the examination, nobody expect of any kind of error. It should always be the zero error. If you have any doubt in the examination, yes, it's a big thing. So yes, as a human being, there is. So therefore, now there is a availability of technology. We can make it, and we must make it. So like especially in the examination, if you have a question on agencies, so this have a big meanings. Therefore, but my question is, if you want to make yes, the digital coverage, the network coverage, the enough centers across the country and all the district, and while we conducting the examination, it should not burden to the students.